So I don't know if you want to go through some of the details here, Frank, but why don't you walk us through some of what we can do with edge computing?
Sure. And when we're talking edge, and Bob, you can jump in at any time, right? It's pushing that issue resolution, that identification, that enunciation as close to the point of where the issue is generated, right? Traditional SCADA systems, they collect the data, but depending on where that central hub is, it might be too late to address them, right?
Hmm.
Um, Predictive insights, like it says on the screen, right? They should happen where it originates, right at the edge. So over the last, especially 10 years, the bottleneck used to be, the network's big enough, it can contain the information, send it all up. Now we're starting to increase the amount of information we want to go through and collect, and that pathway is starting to get bogged down. Conversely, the computing power and the cost of it has dramatically reduced. So edge computing empowers operations with real-time analytics and alerts right again at where the issues reside.
Yeah,
Um, eh,
I want to jump on that, Frank, because a lot of some of the newer edge devices are actually now have included in them a GPU processor, so they can handle the load of a neural network or a machine learning algorithm to be able, and even in some cases AI, to be able to do that analysis right there at the line um, for data that's coming into it, um, and provide the feedback to the operator directly from that edge device, as opposed to having to go through a cloud platform to be able to get that insight and feed it back.
for sure, and you're no longer dependent on all this data is flowing in, waiting on that central hub, whether it's an on-prem server, a corporately hosted server somewhere, thousands of miles away, or in the cloud, right?